Have you ever noticed that the harder you chase something or someone, the more elusive it becomes? The same principle applies to relationships, especially with women. Today, we're diving deep into a paradox of attraction. Why letting go and embracing indifference can actually make you irresistible. The ancient Stoics taught us to focus on what we can control and let go of the rest. When you stop obsessing over outcomes like gaining someone's approval, you reclaim your power. And here's the twist. Women are naturally drawn to men who embody this mindset. Stoicism isn't about being emotionless, it's about mastering your emotions. When you stop caring about superficial validation, you radiate confidence and self-assuredness. This is magnetic. Women sense it. The problem with caring too much. Let's start with a common mistake: over-investing in someone too early. When you care too much too soon, you unintentionally send a message of desperation. And desperation, it's the ultimate repellent. Women are biologically wired to seek security and strength. If you're constantly chasing her attention, it signals insecurity. Instead, shift your focus inward, build yourself up, and watch how the dynamic changes. Why detachment works. Detachment is the art of holding space for possibilities without clinging to them. It's like holding sand in your palm grip too tightly and it slips away. Keep your hand open and it stays. When you stop chasing, you give her the freedom to come to you. This isn't manipulation, it's respect. And respect breeds genuine connection. How to practice stoic detachment. Set clear boundaries. Know your worth and don't compromise it for anyone. Pursue your purpose. When your life revolves around your goals, you naturally become less focused on external validation. End quote. Barber. Master emotional resilience. Learn to let go of what you can't control. Her reactions, her choices, her feelings. Become the man who doesn't just talk about his dreams but actively pursues them. This is the kind of energy that women find irresistible. The result, women coming to you. When you stop caring, truly stop, you'll notice a shift. Women will be intrigued by your independence and drawn to your confidence. But here's the kicker. By that point, you'll be so focused on yourself that her attention won't even define you. Stoicism teaches us that freedom comes from within. When you free yourself from the need to chase, you create space for what's meant for you to arrive naturally. So, let go, focus inward, and watch how life and love flows toward you. Men, let me ask you something. Have you ever poured your energy into chasing someone only to feel like they're pulling further away? It's frustrating, isn't it? But here's the truth. The moment you stop caring, the dynamic shifts. Suddenly, the people you once chased, especially women, start chasing you. What's the secret? It's all rooted in Stoicism. And today we're breaking it down. Why caring too much is a problem. Let's start with the root of the issue, over-caring. When you care too much, whether it's about someone's approval, their attention, or their affection, you give away your power. You unconsciously say, your opinion of me matters more than my opinion of myself. And here's the kicker. Women sense this energy. They see it as a sign of neediness, of lack. No matter how well-intentioned you are, over-caring signals insecurity, and insecurity, that's the ultimate deal-breaker. 3. When you center your happiness around someone else, you lose yourself in the process. But when you reclaim that focus, everything changes. Chapter 48. The Stoic Solution, Detachment. Detachment doesn't mean you stop caring altogether. It means you stop over-caring. The Stoics believed in focusing only on what's within your control. Think about it. Can you control how someone feels about you? No. But you can control how you show up in the world. When you detach, you shift from, "I need her attention to feel valued," to, "I'm valuable because I know my worth." That shift alone changes the entire dynamic of attraction. Detachment is magnetic. It says, "I'm whole on my own, but if you want to join me on this journey, you're welcome." This energy is powerful, it's rare, and women can't help but be drawn to it. Practical steps to stop carrying and attract naturally. Now you're probably thinking, okay, I get it, but how do I actually stop caring? Let me break it down into actionable steps. Focus on your mission in life. Whether it's fitness, career, hobbies, or self-development, immerse yourself in what fulfills you. When your life feels full, you won't feel the need to chase someone else to complete it. Know your reactions. Stoicism teaches us to respond, not react. If she doesn't text back, don't spiral. Instead, remind yourself, her actions are out of my control. My peace is within me. Be present in the moment. Don't overthink. Women appreciate a man who's fully present and grounded, not distracted by overanalyzing every interaction. Maintain emotional independence. Don't make her the center of your world. Women are attracted to men who have their own lives, passions, and dreams. Real-life results. Let me tell you about a friend of mine. He was always chasing women, constantly, texting, overanalyzing every response. But the moment he decided to focus on himself, his fitness, his goals, his mindset, everything changed. Women who once ignored him started reaching out. Why? Because he became a man who didn't need their attention to feel complete. This isn't a trick or a tactic, it's a lifestyle. When you embrace detachment, you naturally become more attractive, not just to women, but to opportunities, friendships, and success. Here's the truth. The moment you stop caring, you unlock freedom. You stop living for others' validation and start living for yourself. And in doing so, you become the kind of man who doesn't need to chase, because what's meant for you will always come to you. So take a deep breath. Let go of the need to control. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself. And trust me, everything else will fall into place. If this message hit home for you, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for weekly insights on mastering Stoicism and relationships. Until next time, remember, you are the prize. Act like it.